Hello everyone, and welcome back to Engineering Study Hub. I'm Dipendra, and in today's SOLIDWORKS 2025 tutorial, we are going to cover the fundamental workflow of creating a 3D part and generating a standard 2D engineering drawing from it. Let's start by opening a new part document. Navigate to the Feature Manager design tree, select the front plane, and open a new sketch. From the Sketch Tools menu at the top, select the Center Rectangle tool. Click on the origin to place the center of your rectangle. This is a great practice to lock in your design intent. Now, grab the Smart Dimension tool. Select the top edge and set the width to 5 units. Next, select the side edge and set the height to 5 units as well, leaving us with a fully defined perfect square. With the sketch complete, switch over to the Features tab and select Extruded Boss/Base. In the Property Manager on the left, input a depth of 5 units to match our sketch dimensions. Click the green check mark to confirm. You now have a solid 3D cube. You can use your middle mouse button to rotate and inspect the model. Now, let's create the manufacturing documentation. Open a new drawing file. On the right-hand side, open the View palette. Find your isometric view, click, and drag it directly onto your drawing sheet. Next, we will lay out our standard orthographic projections. Drag in your front view, and then project the top view and right view directly from it. Once placed, you can click and drag the bounding boxes to rearrange and center the views on your sheet. To make the drawing easier to read, select your isometric view. In the Property Manager, change the display style to Shaded with Edges. This helps viewers immediately visualize the final 3D part. Finally, activate the Smart Dimension tool within the drawing environment. Select the edges of your front view to call out the 5x5 dimensions. Because these are driven by the 3D model, they will update automatically if the part ever changes. And that covers the basics of part modeling and drafting in SOLIDWORKS 2025. For more detailed tutorials, study materials, and apps, be sure to visit engineeringstudyhub.tech. Thanks for watching.